For today's recipe, we're gonna show you how to make that amazing smoked cream cheese on the Traeger grill. So let's get the grill fired up, a little bit of prep, and then we're gonna dig into this delicious appetizer. We went ahead and topped it off with our Ace Reserve blend pellets today. Now we're gonna be cooking at 225 degrees, so we'll go ahead and set that temperature. We will hit ignite, and guess what? Just like that, we are ready to go. Our ingredients today, let's start first. We need a small piece of aluminum foil. That's gonna help make sure that cream cheese stays on the Traeger and doesn't slip through the grill grates. Next, we need a strong cracker because at the end of this, we're gonna scoop some of that smoked cream cheese up, a little bit of that sauce, and get that from the plate to our mouth. We need a strong cracker to do that. Next, pick your favorite block of cream cheese. We have an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. And now, my chef's tip, be sure to keep that ice cold until we're ready to use it. And then, we've got a lot of different rubs and sauces available at your local Ace. Today, I'm using a little bit of the Meat Church Texas sugar, and then we're gonna sauce it up with a little bit of that Blues Hog raspberry chipotle. Now that we've got the Traeger all heated up and ready to go, you can see we've opened up that cream cheese. Like I said, my chef's tip, keep this ice cold until you need it. Now, a couple different schools of thought. You can leave the top just as it is, or you can make some of those cross hatches if you would prefer. If you're gonna do that, what I do is just carefully go through and set my knife in there like so. A little bit of that paring knife, right? And then I'll come back this way. Now, the cool thing about this is this will help make some great little cracks and crevices, if you will, to let that rub in there and that smoke in there, to do its thing. So now that we've got that done, we'll take some of that Texas sugar like we've got right there, and I'll go ahead and start laying that on. Now, as we always say, do it as much or as little as you like, but let's say you're sitting there thinking, hey, wait a minute, I don't want to be wasteful. Don't worry about it. I just go through now, soak all that up. I'll put a little bit more down there. Use that to pack it all in. Get this coated as much as you want or as light as you want, but just go through, get everything all seasoned. And then, like I said, if you have any left over on the foil, you can go through and get it all soaked up, get it all packed up, and you are now ready for the Traeger. Now that we're ready for the Traeger, last step, we've got our nice foil sheet. We'll go ahead and put that cream cheese right on there. Now, this is gonna be nice and strong. It's gonna help that cream cheese stay where we want it. The beautiful part is now it won't fall through the grill grates. We are preheated at 225. I'm gonna load this into my Timberline. Now, even if you don't have a Timberline, don't sweat it. Just put this on the top shelf. Now, we're gonna let this go at 225 degrees for 2 hours until we start to see that cheese crack a little bit and get some of that beautiful smoke. See you soon. Time for a check-in. Here we are right after 1 hour. Oh man, look at that. Starting to get a little bit of cracking in the top. That is beautiful. Starting to pull on a lot of smoke flavor. We'll let it go for another hour. Just like that, we are all done. So carefully, we are going to pull that off right onto the plate. And then we're going to head, that's right, into the kitchen. Here we are back in the kitchen. Now, I've let this rest for 5 minutes before I get ready to do a little bit of magic. So what I'm gonna do is carefully put this onto my hand, like so. Carefully take that foil sheet off, see that? And then I'm going to put the plate upside down and my cream cheese right back in the middle like that. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and put those crackers, and we say heavy duty, right? You need a heavy duty cracker to definitely put up with that smoked cream cheese. You don't want it breaking while you're trying to scoop your cheese and all of that good stuff. So once we get that set, now it is time to do a little magic with the Blues Hog, raspberry chipotle sauce, just like that. And that right there, that is a solid treat. Yeah, who would have thought? Smoked cream cheese, absolutely fantastic on your Traeger grill. Now, if you're looking for another amazing recipe, check out our sausage burn ends video. That coming up next.